What's up, queens and kings? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Here at Queen Budgets, we are tackling all things financial, from budgeting by paycheck, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, debt payoff, while currently on a low income and a single mom of three. So if that sounds like something that would interest you, I invite you to hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification. Go ahead and join the Shmoney team, baby, because we over here lit and we getting our shmoney together. Kenzie F. Baby, please say the baby. She is here to help us. She actually volunteered to help me. We are cash stuffing $593. So let's just pull up the budget with me really quickly. And so is this the 10th? Okay, so this is November 10th's pay. The budgeted amount was $1,117, I believe. But I just kept it at $1,000 for my budget, and whatever that was over that, I actually just left in my account to go along with the buffer. We are super close to reaching our first what I want to call it, our first goal for our buffer. So the initial goal was 500, but I'm thinking I want to extend it to 800, but we'll get into that later. So starting out with $1,000, Mackenzie, will you get the calculator?
Yes.
Okay, put it down right here. Are they able to see it right here? Okay, perfect. So I want you to put 1,000, clear the calculator. So $1,000 on the calculator. The first bill that we ended up having to pay was our water bill, which comes quarterly, but we still pay it on a monthly basis. We take the full amount and we break it down into three. Because it comes every 3 months or whatever. So that budgeted amount is $66. So from that 1,000, you are going to minus $66. Enter. And that leaves us with, it should be $934. Then the second bill that we paid was Pat's Advocacy. So that's going to be $934 minus $50. Her payments are due on the 10th and the 25th of every month. So we will minus $50, and that will leave us with $884. The next bill that we are paying is Ulta Beauty. Yes, Ulta Beauty. We are actually paying $31. So that's going to be $884 minus $31, Mackenzie. And that will leave us $853 should be what we have. Is that what that says? $853. Okay, perfect. So we did Ulta. Now we're doing Capital One credit card. We are taking and we are paying $25. So $853 minus $25 should leave us with what, Mackenzie? $828. We have to pay our new gym membership, which is Planet Fitness. That is $26. So Mackenzie, you can minus 828 minus 26, and that should leave us with $802. Amazon Prime, which our Amazon is about $9. I believe it's $8 and something. So you can subtract 802 minus $9. $793. Next, we are paying Baltimore Gas and Electric, which I paid a portion of that already. So I believe the remaining balance is a little bit under $100. I rounded it up and I put 100. So minus $793 minus 100. Last but definitely not least, Xfinity, because we need our internet, baby. Xfinity, we put $100 on that bill. So $693 minus 100. Should leave us with $5.93, and I believe that is what we are cash stuffing. Let me just count it really quickly just to make sure. I do believe I counted. No, I didn't count this. The teller counted this. I didn't count it. We have 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 320, 40, 60, 80. Was that 400? 400, 420, 40, 60, 80, 500, 520, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. Yes. $5.93 like we said, baby. Okay, so first and foremost, we are going to stuff our variable expenses. Foremost, Queen, how much are we stuffing for Queen Mackenzie?
$30.
$30. So we have 20 and 10, 20, $30. Next, Mackenzie, what are we?
Me 15. 10, 15.
Right, 15. So this is going in Mackenzie's envelope.
$10.
Okay, so Trance is getting $10. Let's put Mackenzie's 15 in there. Trance is getting $10. His little $1 is rolling over. Next is Gasolina.
150.
Right. So 51, 150.
Eat out.
And how much is that?
$20.
So we are doing $20 in eating out with Mikasa. So that is like our home envelope for our home goods. How much are we putting in there?
$20.
$20. My home. Next, self-care.
Self-care, $20.
We are doing $20 also in self-care.
Miscellaneous.
We are doing $20 in miscellaneous. You can give me the $20. The $20 for miscellaneous I'm going to put to the side. I'm going to get Mackenzie to help me actually make this envelope I've been saying I'm going to make. So we'll put this $20 to the side. We'll make the envelope, and then I'll put the $20 in there off camera. Last but not least is love. I mean, how much are we putting in love?
$5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, perfect. All right. So we are putting 5 in love. Next is what?
Buffer.
Which envelope has buffer in it? Which how much are we putting in buffer?
$25. 20 and a $5 bill.
Okay. So that's it for our variable expenses. He is stink. Put the 5 in there. All right, put the 20 in there. All right, let's count together. We now have 50. Is the green permanent marker right there?
No, I'm gonna go get it.
I thought I saw it on the table. All right, well you could get it. If you see it in there with the rest of my Sharpies, get the green one, and then that way you can update the tracker. Sorry about that, y'all. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, 310, 320, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. We have $381. $381. We're getting very, very close to our goal. So
150. 160.
Right, okay. So I don't know if you guys caught my last video when I told you guys that I took $80 out of here. We did reach our $1,000 mark. But I actually took $50 out of here. I mean, 50. I actually took $80 out of here to replace my banister that's in my home that my children decided that they wanted to break. I told them that it would be coming out of their Christmas money, so that's what it was. Okay, period. 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40. Wait a minute. 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 220, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 285, 290, 295, 300, 301, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have $308. Yep, that sounds about right. So we're building our emergency fund back up. Hopefully we can get a little car fund going before we have to dig in this and get some more tires. Next we are doing tickets.
25.
Wait a minute, no. Yeah, wait a minute, we're doing car fund next. That's exactly what. So we have nothing in car fund. Okay, so we're doing 50 in car fund. I thought I would have done a $50 bill, but oh yeah. Wait a minute, let's go back to Christmas. That $50 bill, that 50 and that 10 out of Christmas, I knew my denominations were a little bit jank. That was supposed to be 320s. Let's not mess up the denominations, okay? I think that was supposed to be 320s. So now we should be good. So car fund is going to be that $50 bill, Mackenzie. Yeah, we're going to put that in there. We currently have nothing in car fund, so we're going to put 50 in car. Tickets and fees, we're adding $25, Mackenzie.
20.
Put the 20 in there.
5.
25. Now we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43. So we have 243 in tickets and fees, baby. Next, we are doing $18 in miscellaneous, and I believe that's the $18 that's left right there. Take it and count it for me, Poop.
10, 15, 16, 17, $18.
So we're adding $18 to miscellaneous. That gives us, now we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. We have $58 in miscellaneous. And as you guys can tell, y'all made it to the end of the video. Period. We doing it. Look, if you ain't hit the subscribe button yet, I don't know what you waiting for. Kenzie, what they waiting for?
I don't know.
I don't know what you waiting for. Hit that subscribe button below and the bell notification so you could be like us, baby. Over here getting y'all money together. Say bye, Kenzie.
Bye.
Bye.